In this video, I'll be giving you 15 product ideas you can start selling going into 2022. Though Christmas is over, but the sales don't have to. The buyers have moved to different keywords. They're looking for different things, and you want to know what those are. And in this video, I compiled some of the things that people are going to be looking for going into the new year's, and you want to make sure you're there when they do. So if that interests you, make sure to keep watching and stick around. Hi guys, welcome to Talk Shop. If you're new to this channel, I help you guys scale out of your room, out of your plastic printer into something more serious, commercial grade, metal, shop, and things like that, because you're gonna get more sales if you're going to apply the things that I talk about in my channel. I myself, I don't brag about that for the sake of bragging, but I just want to make sure you guys don't miss out on the opportunity to watch the content that I create. I am the #1 pet product store on Etsy currently in terms of daily volumes of sales. You can check that with erank.com. My shop name is Tag Pup. Also, I became the top 1% in just over a year of this store existing. So I know what I'm talking about when it comes to growth. So if that stuff interests you, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, because sometimes videos are time sensitive, especially in this holiday season that we just had. There were some videos that came out that were kind of time sensitive, and you should have acted upon them as soon as you watch those videos. So make sure to do that. If you like this video, make sure to like this video, comment on the bottom. That would help me and your fellow YouTuber people that also look for stuff like this to come across with this content. So without any further ado, let's get cracking with the list. Now, the first one I wanted to talk about is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is coming up. It is the beginning of the year. You want to make sure you have products earlier. Literally start selling them now. Literally order some stuff right now, put them out, start selling. What are the things you want to look out for Valentine's? Well, first of all, you just do like t-shirts, pillows, embroidered pillows, personalized, things like that, matching shirts, or I'm his, I'm hers, t-shirts like that, candles, obviously, really simple stuff. But one of the unique things I discovered this year, I actually sent a buddy of mine this idea because he has a laser engraver, is, let's see, is date night dice. So here we are, if you go on the reviews, I like to do this little secret if you haven't watched my other videos, but I go on reviews and I switch to newest review and just see how often their reviews are happening. So they're just started to sell this. So the 27th, the 26th, and the 24th. So they just kind of like coming up into that selling, but this product seems to sell really well during this time of year. So that's something you can if you have a laser engraving machine, this is something you want to look out for. If you think you can buy this somewhere online, go for it. But I think the element of this whole thing is that personalized element with a little baggie. But I think it's a great product to start selling for the Valentine's. Now, there's other dices you can do, like foodie dices and stuff like that. It seems like people are buying that. So that's a first great one to do. Also for Valentine's, bath bombs is another one. Here, let's go ahead and look it up. So bath bombs is a great one. So let's just click on this one. Again, I like to just quick and dirty. By the way, at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I come up with the list. Just a really quick show you where I found it and how I do it. Now, not only on Etsy, but specifically where on erank.com I looked for to get this stuff. But anyways, look at this, 27, 20, like, I mean, they're really kicking off right off the bat for the, literally, what was that? On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, well, I'll just count this as 9, 10, so I'll count it as 10 because it's just one buyer. 11, so 11 reviews on the 27th. Today's the 20th, so yesterday they got 11 reviews, and generally the review per sale is about 5 to 10. So if you get one review, that means you've made about 5 sales of that product, or 10 sales. But if you get 10 or 11 reviews in that one day, they're really selling this stuff. So bath bombs are great. It seems like it's a Valentine's thing. Also, it's like a Christmas thing, but going into the Valentine's, people will be buying each other gift boxes and things like that. Bath box, gift box, things like that. The other one is bathtub, I'm not sure how to get tub, Caddy. Big one. This is a big one. So you can either personalize it, or you can just build it. If you're woodworking, or you can buy a set of these. This is a big one during the Valentine's. This is yeah, these guys sell pretty well. But the only problem is that they're heavy, so shipping might be something. But you obviously charge a pretty penny. I mean, 85 bucks is not cheap. 100 bucks here, so that's a really good one to sell. So yeah, and then candles, obviously, like I said, candles are a really good one to do. The other one is care packages or gift packages. I mean, I kind of mentioned that, but and this is kind of coming out of that Valentine's, but still in that Valentine's, people still buy these kind of for gifts during Valentine's or just gifting each other. And it doesn't have to be, you don't have to be dating for Valentine's. People sometimes give gifts when they're single, like to their single friends, so that stuff like that happens. So this is a pretty big one. So if you're into making a box, if you want to get candles, honey jars, you know, all these, whatever they do. So some of the stores to follow is actually this store right here. They do an amazing job at the branding and different kind of gift boxes. This is literally all they do. So they, you know, you build a box, the care packages and things like that. Care packages, by the way, has been really nice during this whole COVID thing. People have been sending care packages left and right. Seems like COVID is still going to be kind of around, so I think it's a product that's going to be continuing to sell. So care packages and things like that. So, all right, so now going into the next year, another thing people do is they organize, they clean up, they tidy up their house, their workstation and things like that. So anything, and this is more of a keyword, anything in the storage and organization category, you want to do that. So labels and shelving and things like that. One of the things surprisingly, even though we have phones, calendars, 2022 calendars, people still buy calendars. Like, this is still a thing. So make it really nice. I like how these people did it. They made it look really nice. Obviously, you have to make sure that you do several pages that you can just then reclip the next page and so on. Calendars are apparently a really big sellers. And I just discovered this as I was doing research for this video. Calendars are a big one. The other keyword is this one, desktop calendar. If you have the ability to print and you just find these blocks somewhere or have somebody make a bunch for you, desktop calendars are an amazing one. It's funny because this store, and the reason why I like this one specifically, because they do stickers. And all of a sudden they're doing desktop calendars. And look at that, over 20 people. When you see this happening, right? Nothing has over 20 mark. It's like 3 in their card, 2 in their card, whatever. But this one has 20. That means this store just really shot that product up, even though they're not within that product category. I always talk about that aisle experience that you want to create so that you have other products that support this product. But in this case, they're just like, hey, look, it seems to sell. Let's go ahead and do this product. So yeah, desktop calendars, right? That is a keyword. That's a really good one to do. And they don't have to be personalized. That's the thing. Now, you can get them personalized. You can maybe engrave on this one, or maybe get a little, we'll say like a vinyl sticker here or whatever, or print it somehow, or I don't know, you can't really sublimate it, but yeah, this is a great one to look out for. Desktop calendars. All right, the other one, this is kind of weird. Socks. Yeah, it's weird, but socks are a thing. You know, if you're going to be sewing different wonky shark socks or these sharks or sublimation, you would have to get a 100% polyester socks and sublimate it. And socks are not too big, so you can actually do it with a regular sublimation printer for like $500-600 bucks and then heat press it. But socks are a big one, so if you want to get into socks, this is the time to do it. And I think partly because this is the winter, you know, people are buying socks to be cozied up. So yeah, there's different keywords you can target in terms of the socks section. So that's a really good one. All right, 2022 planners. Whoops, 22 planners. Whoops. There we go. 2022 planners. Right, anything planner, you can personalize it. You can do stuff like that. Seems to be popular. Planners, people are like, okay, that's it. I'm gonna work out. That's it. I'm gonna eat healthy. That's it. I need to start organizing my week. And planners are good. They're really good to at least beginning of the year to get going. Now, it doesn't matter if they use it or not, or if they get good at planning. Yeah, it's not your problem. Your problem is to sell them the goods, right? So that's a really good one. All right, so here's a category that is going really well during this time of year. Along with organizing things, people want to decorate their home. When they're going to be taking off their Christmas decor, they want to put something else instead. When they take down, it looks really empty. They feel like they need something needs to be there, like a bush or something. A lot of greenery things, by the way, are sold during this time of year. But wall hangings, Wall hangings are a big one. So here are some of the categories. Now you can do boho, things like that. But you also, let's see, where was it? There's a specific, no. Yeah, by the way, greenery, stuff like that. It sells really well. And like I said, it's probably because, no, here, actually, pin maps. I thought it was just this store that did that. But pin maps are a really cool one. This one, it really is, you can do wood, you can go crazy like that and do it out of that. But pin maps are just anything you can do, even a cork or a canvas kind of style map, where people, when they travel, they put little pins in there. That's a really cool one. And this right here, city maps. City maps are really cool for several reasons, right? First of all, they're simple to print. So if you're into the printing, you want to print or even print on demand, city maps are really good ones. For, like I said, one, because you can do print on demand, they're really simple to make. Also because you have different kinds of keywords, because obviously you have so many cities. Now, if you go on here, on this store, I guarantee you they have so much keywords. Oh no, they're just beginning. So here, there's another store that I saw, city maps. So city maps. And there's a lot of people are copying each other here, but nope, that's not it. Hey, this person's dominating that side of things. Where was it? I believe, nope, that's not it. It's this one, I believe. If you look at their, how many, yeah, right here. So they have maps range, there's different types of maps. So they're just doing maps upon maps. Why? Because they're doing different cities, London, France, Italy, blah, blah, blah. And also you can do where you got engaged things. So for example, and this is not specific to 2022, so engage, maps. It has a heart on it and where you got engaged, like right there. These are pretty popular. So if you are into the print on demand or printing, well, this one is personalized, you have to be personalized. They'll do maps like that, the little heart right there. That will kind of specify that, hey, that's where we got engaged, and there'll be a date. So that's on side, just a little bonus for you guys. Really good one to sell, especially going into the summer, because people get married during the summer, which means the anniversaries are during the summertime. So those are really good ones to do. Going back, let's go to desk organizers. Again, people are organizing everything and including their desk. So desk organizers are a really nice one. So there's two things I actually sent to my friend, right? First of all, desk organizers like this are clean. So if you have the ability to get a desk organizer, and maybe with like a vinyl or engraving, whatever suits your budget. Now, if you want engraving would be perfect, because people like personalized stuff like this, cell phone charger, blah, blah. Or if you can even do just vinyl. Vinyl works just as good too. People don't do as much vinyl because the wood looks nice, but you can still get away with that. Also, organizing labels. We talked about this in my previous videos, but if you haven't watched that video, let's see, pantry labels. Pantry labels. These are really good ones because people are going to be cleaning up their, they're going to be doing spring cleaning. They're going to be organizing their house. Okay, season is over, holiday's over. Let's get back on track. Let's get to it. We're going to get healthy foods. We're going to get healthy snacks, nuts and whatever. We need to organize ourselves, put ourselves together. So things like that really take off during this time of year, or going into the new year. All right, so that's another set of categories you need to watch out for. If there's anything that you can add to this category, that would benefit you a lot. So kitchen and dining. Kitchen, again, I will show you how I found all this stuff in another video, so make sure to keep watching. But kitchen and dining, pretty much what you see here, and by the way, there it is, pops up right there. But kitchen and dining is one of those things, you just, whatever they're selling, see if you can find something here and sell it, because it's almost like, selling Christmas pillows during Christmas time, right? People want to buy it because it's seasonal. So this is almost like the seasonal of the new year, coming up into the new year. So I'll be selling towels. By the way, I'm also going to be making a video series where I'll be starting an Etsy shop from beginning. I'm going to open up a whole new shop. It's going to be sublimated stuff like towels, blankets, and things like that, pillows. And I'm gonna be showing you how I open up the store and what are the things I'm considering in terms of branding and the direction of the store, and how I'm gonna start posting new listings from scratch, just kind of growing that store, and you guys are gonna see it live. And I'm gonna hope so, but I'm gonna be going to that 1% store, so you guys get to witness that as I document the whole process. So if that interests you, make sure to subscribe to this video and hit the bell notification when I do start doing those. So you will see that coming out shortly. All right, so, okay, so kitchen and dining. The other one is car accessories. Car accessories is a big, hot topic. People are buying car accessories, you know, things like that. I don't know why. I don't know what's the reason behind it, but car accessory, maybe they're cleaning out their cars too, but car accessories seems to be something that is looked for in this time of year, beginning of the year. So, and the last one I wanted to talk about is friendship gifts. Friendship gifts. And I'm sure, oh yeah, I forgot the I in that. But here, let's see. Friendship gifts. This is a big one. A lot of these are personalized. A lot of these are, if you can make it look like your friend or like you and your friend. By the way, when people do something like this, they usually just change out the hair. There's like different hairs. You can go on Creative Market and buy this set of this, and it's like, if she's blonde, you put out the blonde hair. If she's brunette or redhead, whatever. But yeah, packages again, all this kind of weird stuff. All right, so let me go show you how I found all this stuff. All right, so we're gonna go to, it's an E-Rank. I'm gonna go to E-Rank, and we're gonna go on Trend and Trend Buzz. And Trend Buzz is basically, hey, what's popping? What's being looked for, you know? And we're gonna go and make sure we're on Etsy, we're gonna go on keywords, and we wanna look for this. So as you scroll down, you're gonna see the word hot right there, boom, so right? Or mugs, right? Now mugs, the reason why I didn't decide to do this one, because mugs are mostly for Christmas, and sometimes E-Rank is a little bit delayed in its, you know, is it accurately displaying the hot topic or the current buying things. And sometimes you wanna see it go up, like you want it to be at like 11, you know, something that's beginning to go up, so. But yeah, you can just kind of look through this, things like that, boyfriend gifts. See boyfriend gifts right there. It's starting to be hot because of the holiday, and so, Valentine's. So keychain, gifts for boyfriend, socks, and that's how I discovered socks. It's one of the categories. And so let's just say socks, right? Let's just say, okay, you're like, oh, I want to do socks. What can we do for socks? You go on tools, you go on Keyword Explorer, and you just type in the word socks, and then see what with the socks people are looking for. What are other keywords that people search alongside with socks? Now, this is because it's winter. It's not because it's the New Year's or whatever. It's just winter, and Christmas is really the beginning of the year. So, so let's see, socks, groomsmen socks. It's not as a big one. It's actually been early in the year. You kind of want to look at this chart because, again, we're looking at trends. High thigh socks, custom socks, right? Custom socks would be one of those. So if you're curious what that means, you go on custom socks and you go on, you search it. This will tell you, the sellers will tell you what custom socks mean, or in terms of what customers want, because they ranked here because they nailed the keyword custom socks, and that's why they ranked higher. And they've done that because they've collected data, like people click on it, people buy through them, and so this gives you more accurate what the customers and the seller mean when they talk about custom socks. All right, well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you did like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll be creating more videos like this, and like I said, I'll be creating a series of videos on how to open up a shop, how to start the shop from scratch, and how to get it to a place to become the top 1% store. So if that interests you, make sure to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And if you like this video, make sure to like this video. And right in the bottom, if I missed any products, any categories you want to share with the rest of the world, and be kind and share the blessings of knowledge. If you have any ideas of some things that do sell at the beginning of the year or going into 2022. So, all right, hope to see you next time.